Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a perfect base. Product is the one pore minimizing primer from Oriflame. Now I'm going to take this on my fingertip and will gently massage on my face in circular motion. After applying this, leave it for 10 minutes on your face. Now I'm using the One Everlasting foundation from Oriflame. Now I have taken small amount of foundation on my hand and I'm going to apply this on my face. Also near your neck area if needed. Now after applying foundation, you need to blend this from your beauty blender, or you can use your makeup brush also. Don't forget to blend your prominent area and neck area, otherwise the foundation will look bad on your face. Now I'm going to use the One Everlasting Precision Concealer, again from Oriflame. So guys, always blend your concealer from your concealer brush only. Now I'm using the one ILLUSKIN powder to set my makeup base. So now I'm going to create a base for my eye makeup. For that I'm using concealer again. So now I'm going to blend it on my crease. Using the one eyeliner STYLO waterproof, again from Oriflame. So I'm opting a winged eyeliner for this look. Using the one KOHL eye pencil from Oriflame. As you can see, the color of this kajal, so dark and deep. Using this mascara, the one 5-in-1 Wonder Lash Double XL mascara, waterproof, black color. Also apply mascara on your lower lashes. Now I'm going to use my favorite, the one ILLUSKIN blushes. Smile and apply it on your apple of your cheeks. Also using the same palette for highlighting areas like cheekbone and nose. So lastly, I'm applying the one Lip Sensation Matte Velvet. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, share with your friends and family members.